Are you looking for the best wood stoves? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best wood stoves on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Cleveland Iron Works Huron Wood Stove. This stove from Cleveland Iron Works is designed to heat a mid-sized home of around 2,500 square feet. Cleaning wood stoves can be a pain, so we love the large ash pan that makes removing ashes easy. This top-vented wood stove can be installed anywhere with proper external venting, and it has a pedestal base that supports the brick-lined firebox. It can generate up to 80,000 BTUs of heat, provided you keep it stocked with firewood. The firebox can hold logs up to 18 inches long and is lined with firebrick, which enhances heat retention and increases the temperature for more efficient burning. We like the glass in the front of the cast iron door since it's relaxing to watch the flames and also reminds you when the stove needs more wood. However, you'll need to regularly clean the glass, as this stove lacks an air wash feature to reduce soot buildup. The other drawback of this stove is that you'll need some additional parts to complete it, such as a pipe adapter, a rack or fire grate to lift the wood, and a blower for heat distribution. Dimensions: 22.75 by 28 by 31.5 inches. Material: cast iron door with ceramic rope gasket and glass. Heat output: BTUs 80,000. Area heated: 2,500 square feet. Number 2. U.S. Stove Rustic Cast Iron Stove. If you're looking for an affordable yet effective wood stove, consider this non-catalytic model, which means that it's better suited for hot-burning fires for short durations, which keeps spaces of 900 square feet warm and toasty. Although it's a small stove, it can accommodate logs up to 19 inches long, an inch more than our overall best, compared to the standard 16-inch logs. We love the 2-piece handle, a great feature that remains cool to the touch and can also be removed when not in use as a safety measure, especially if you have children in the house. However, the rest of the stove conducts heat and becomes extremely hot, so it's best to wear gloves when working on it. The top is very thick and has 2 plates for cooking on, if necessary. Unlike our overall best, the stove interior isn't lined with firebrick for added heat insulation. It also lacks a viewing window or an ash cleanout drawer, making it a bit more cumbersome to clear ashes from the stove. However, we believe it's a great option for small spaces that require additional heating. Dimensions: 18.5 by 33 by 23 inches. Material: cast iron. Heat output: BTUs 54,000. Area heated: 900 square feet. Number 3. Duraflame 3D Infrared Electric Fireplace Stove. More like a portable heater rather than a wood stove, this vent-free electric Duraflame stove still packs a heated punch. We love the side glass panels that let the glow of the logs emanate from all sides of the unit. We put this fireplace stove to the test in the lab and at home and were impressed by its heat output. One of our favorite features is that the heat and flame settings can be adjusted independently, allowing you to enjoy the cozy ambience of a fire even when you don't need extra heat. That said, we wish the flames looked a bit more realistic. The programmable thermostat has a range of 62 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to find the ideal temperature for your space. We also love that it's equipped with a timer setting, from 30 minutes to 9 hours, to prevent the heater from operating when you're not around. Unlike the other options on our list, this unit comes with a remote control, so you can make adjustments from the comfort of your couch. Dimensions: 24 by 13 by 23 inches. Material: glass. Metal. Heat output: BTUs 5,200. Area heated: 1,000 square feet. Number 4. Cleveland Iron Works Bayfront Pellet Stove. Pellet stoves are similar to wood-burning stoves, although they provide heat through compressed wood pellets versus logs. There's a lot to love about this freestanding Bayfront pellet stove from Cleveland Iron Works. The EPA-approved and high-efficiency pellet stove is non-catalytic, featuring a quiet blower, a large hopper, and convenient controls for temperature and timing that can be accessed remotely or with a phone app. It is easy to use and highly efficient at warming spaces up to 2,500 square feet. We also love the stove's design that integrates well into any room, thanks to its attractive 3-sided bay window style. Its 66-pound hopper is large enough to allow for extended burn times and less time spent refilling the stove. Though cleaning the stove is easy, you'll have to spend a little extra time removing excess soot that quickly accumulates on the glass. Dimensions: 24.25 by 26.5 by 30.5 inches. Material: steel and cast iron. Heat output: BTUs 52,000. Area heated: up to 2,500 square feet. Number 5. Ashley Hearth 1,200 square feet wood stove insert. If you have an inefficient fireplace, consider upgrading it and putting it to better use with a wood stove insert. An insert like this Ashley stove offers greater heating power and a safer, cleaner burn than a fireplace. A fireplace insert is a real wood stove, but it's designed to be placed into a masonry fireplace. A freestanding wood stove cannot be placed into a fireplace. The insert has a large ceramic glass window, 16.5 by 9 inches, with an air wash system to keep the glass cleaner. The cast iron door has a cool touchwood handle for safety when opening. The colonial style adds a classic touch to your interior. Professional installation is recommended to ensure there's a stainless steel chimney liner, a proper flue connection, and an electrical connection for the blower. The spring-loaded surround makes it easier to install, but the unit is heavy at 275 pounds. Note that a fireplace insert may not have the oomph to heat medium to large spaces, though it does have a built-in blower fan to circulate heated air throughout a room. Dimensions: 27.2 by 20.2 by 22.4 inches. Stove: 44.25 by 31 inches. Surround: material: steel, cast iron, ceramic, glass. Heat output: BTUs 69,000. Area heated: up to 1,200 square feet.